project management time to the SDLC. That's obviously one of the big ones. But then what is the software development life cycle? People have got different ideas. When you're looking out there and you look at any adverts for anything from coders to you name it, they say, must have SDLC experience. That is your project management, and that's how an SDLC fits into it, your development life cycle. And you might recognize, I haven't put everything in here, but you've got standards for testing and Q&A. Estimates, yeah, we do estimates. And there's some standards there. What do you offer, when do you offer it? Risks and mitigation, something we don't do enough of. I came across this, which I also did way back in the early 90s, and I was looking at it and just thinking how much this matched what we're still doing today. So you first of all, we have JAD sessions, JAD, Joint Application Design. Anybody recognize it?
Waterfall.
Aha, yes, we do. The famous waterfall, where basically you didn't start design until you had all your requirements. Then you went on to implementation. Then you did your testing, etc. And finally it would go into a maintenance cycle. You're spreading the load. You're not trying to do all of that up to there and then starting the next section, then starting. So there was a far better way of doing things. Very fast, very efficient. Also, break things down into smaller groups. It makes life a lot easier. And once again, like I say, you have multiple teams or vendors. And each one of these might actually be using a different life cycle. So that's a very generic idea of what Scrum's about. And I'm sure you all come across it in one way or another. You have a backlog. Talking about Scrum, it's a Kanban board. The original Kanban boards we had, we split into 3 sections. Backlog, being developed, done. It was that easy. So there'd be all these people talking about Agile and giving lectures on Agile, and it's like, wow. And it looked like everything was Agile. They now had Agile management, Agile selling. I went out last night and got into Amazon. There's over 500 books on Agile. Okay? Which means nobody knows what Agile is, because they're each trying to explain what Agile is. I cracked up when I saw that one.
Yeah.
Okay, I wasn't looking for that on purpose.
It's free.
Fast guide, yeah, to creating anything you want from scratch. There's an idiot's guide to Agile. There's a dummy's guide to Agile.
That's good enough.
Yes.
That's the manifesto for Agile development.
And that is the Agile Manifesto. That's it, entirely. That is the manifesto. Okay? The other way is developing software by doing it and helping others do